அடுத்ததாக மேடையில் புரிந்துணர்வு ஒப்பந்தங்களின் பரிமாற்றம் நடைபெற உள்ளது. மாண்புமிகு முதலமைச்சர் அவர்களின் முன்னிலையில் தொழிற்சாலைகள் தொடங்கும் நிறுவனங்களின் பிரதிநிதிகள் ஒப்பந்தங்களை பரிமாறிக்கொள்வார்கள். Ladies and gentlemen, we now mark the start of a new industrial venture here in Tamil Nadu with a formal exchange of MOUs on stage in the august presence of the Honorable Chief Minister. We commence the MOU exchange with the Hinduja Group. May I kindly invite the representatives from the Hinduja Group and the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Guidance to join us for a formal exchange. Hinduja Group, ladies and gentlemen, will be investing 2,500 crores, creating 500 jobs with their facilities across Tamil Nadu. They are expanding their investments across renewable energy and mobility solutions. Their facility will focus on the manufacturing of solar and wind power systems, battery solutions, and automotive and public transport mobility solutions. Today, we also recognize the entrepreneurs and innovators that are shaping new possibilities for Tamil Nadu as we mark their achievements with a formal MOU exchange. I'd like to welcome the team from Ultraviolet Automotive Private Limited as they celebrate an investment of 779 crores, creating 4,000 jobs with their brand new facility in Krishnagiri, which is also a first in Tamil Nadu. Ultraviolet is establishing its first full-fledged high-performance electric motorcycle manufacturing facility. Truly a moment of pride for all of us here in the state. May we kindly request the team from Agnikul Cosmos Private Limited to make their way to the stage. Their investment is 400 crores. They'll be creating 1,500 jobs with their new facility in Thoothukudi. Agnikul Cosmos is our very own homegrown brand, ladies and gentlemen, which is also India's first private reusable liquid propulsion launch vehicle maker. Their facility will focus on the assembly and integration of reusable liquid-propelled launch vehicles. Joining us next on stage. Congratulations. Joining us next on stage is the team from Skyroot Aerospace Private Limited. They'll be investing 250 crores, creating 500 jobs. Their facility in Thoothukudi is the very first in Tamil Nadu, and it is of course a matter of pride for us that they've successfully launched India's very first private orbital rocket. A huge round of applause as we celebrate this wonderful milestone for Tamil Nadu. We continue with the MOUs as we welcome the team from Titan Company Limited to make their way. Ladies and gentlemen, investing 1,000 crores, they'll be creating 1,200 jobs with their facility in Hosur. World-class facilities to build premium watches and jewelry for Titan and high-end automation equipment for the electronics industry at TL. Next on stage, the team from Saint-Gobain India Private Limited. With an investment of 2,000 crores, they'll be creating 600 jobs. Globally headquartered in France, they're setting up a brand new unit in Krishnagiri and expanding their existing unit in Kanchipuram. We truly thank Saint-Gobain for reimposing its faith and confidence in Tamil Nadu, which is of course a testament to investor confidence. Welcoming the team from Lucas TVS Limited and Group to join us at the center stage as they celebrate an investment that totals 2,500 crores, creating 400 jobs. They're going to be setting up facilities across Tamil Nadu. Manufacturing of EV and automotive components will be their prime focus. As we witness the formal exchange of MOUs here at the Vetri Tamil Nadu Investment Conclave 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate your enthusiasm. Please keep the applause going as we welcome the team from Super Micro Computer Systems Private Limited. 477 crores being invested with 150 jobs being created with their facility in Chennai. They're globally headquartered in the United States, and this is going to be their very first facility in Tamil Nadu. They'll focus on the manufacturing of AI servers. I'd like to request you to please put your hands together as we welcome the team from Daimler India Commercial Vehicles Private Limited, who will be investing 4,000 crores, creating 400 jobs. As we all know, they're globally headquartered in Germany. In Tamil Nadu, their facility is going to be set up in Kanchipuram. We're truly happy to note that Daimler has consistently invested in the state of Tamil Nadu since the start of their journey here. Daimler is also upgrading to a 400 crore Oragadam hub. As we mark that exciting moment, we also welcome the team from Avid DEM Proprietary Limited to make their way to join us. 7,000 crores being invested, 12,000 jobs being celebrated, ladies and gentlemen. Their first in Tamil Nadu facility will be across the state, while they're globally headquartered in Australia. We're also going to be looking at their journey, manufacturing of mining components and development of urban infrastructure, experiential tourism and healthcare projects. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to the team at Avid DEM Proprietary Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're also going to be witnessing exchange of MOUs across 20 and more districts. We're also going to be witnessing that across sectors. Avid DEM was just another wonderful example of that multi-sector space. If I may kindly welcome the team from JK Tyre and Industries Limited to join us as they invest 5,143 crores, creating 3,510 jobs. Their facility is going to be set up in Kanchipuram. It will look primarily at the manufacturing of tires. We're also proud to know that they're going to be expanding their facility for passenger car and truck bus radial tire manufacturing. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to the team at JK Tyre and Industries, we'd also like to take the opportunity to welcome our next recipients to join us on stage for a formal exchange. Team YKK India Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, YKK, as we all know, is the world's largest manufacturer of zippers and fastening products. We're truly privileged to have the team here with us. They're going to be investing 1,651 crores, creating 4,316 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Japan, and their facility in Tamil Nadu will be in Tiruvallur. May we kindly welcome Avalon Technologies Limited to join us for a formal exchange. 1,000 crores being invested, 3,000 jobs being created within their facility in Kanchipuram. Ladies and gentlemen, they're going to be working towards the manufacturing of electronic components. We'd like to welcome the team from ZF Wind Power Coimbatore Private Limited as they invest 175 crores, creating 100 jobs. Their facility in Coimbatore, of course, is one other way that they are solidifying their presence as in Coimbatore as a global major. This facility will look at the manufacturing of wind turbine and construction equipment gearboxes.